Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. This will be a quick one, and it's not, absolutely not, a typical guitar song. So, that is what's fun. We're gonna play Fisher and Toes and I's Favor, alright? So this happy man, high on life, enjoying life in his mansion, jumping around, and just, works out pretty much. So let's go into this tutorial with a capo on fourth, and that's the best scenario for simple chords with that: C, D, E minor, and G. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with C first. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. D next. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, we have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We're gonna go with a very simple strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord C, down, up, down, up. That is one string around. So usually when you have these kind of strummings, down, up, I like to emphasize the second and last down in the way that I'm playing on the higher strings on that down. So you notice there, I go all the way down to the high strings on that second down. So down, up, down, up. That is one string around. So we have one chord progression, and we're gonna play the same throughout the song. C, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, E minor, 3, and G, 1. That's it. So C, C, D, D, E minor, 2, 3, and G again. And that's it, my friends. Toes and I, Fisher, Favor. I'm signing out. Have a nice day and play tuned.